So today is March 10th, 2026, and right now we're in a live trading session. Markets are open, as you can see. I have three zones, supply zones drawn up on the Nasdaq, and I'm just waiting to see if price is gonna come back up and hit our zone. Right here, we have this 15-minute zone right here, which is stronger than the 5-minute, and this other 15-minute zone, which is stronger than this 5-minute. But we also have, as you can see, price shot up, came back down, is rejecting of this area, this zone, which is on the 1 hour. It is also a demand zone, right? So that's also a demand zone right here. And for now, price can either reject, shoot all the way up, break through all these zones, and create a new high, or just continue to shoot down, reject off these zones, and continue to shoot down, breaking these lows, and fill it in this gap all the way down here. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that price clearly shot down, broke these lows, came back up, created a lower high, and now it's probably looking to shoot all the way back down and break this last low that it created and create a new low. That's on the 4-hour time frame. So on the higher time frame, it's telling us we might be bearish. On the lower time frame, it's telling us we might be bullish. So for now, we're just waiting to see which zone gets hit. And yeah, and I'm right now recording this. I'm about to be sending out this to the group chat. If you hear me talking as well, it's gonna be just because I'm looking at the group chat and seeing who's in the chat, talking and whatnot, and I'm just answering questions for the mentees. The students are in there asking questions and taking the same trade setup with me. So for now, we're just waiting. We're just gonna sit and wait for one of these zones to get hit and see if price rejects off of them. Yes, sir. Price hit our first target, our first zone, and from here we're just waiting to see what price is gonna do. If it's gonna reject off of it. So right now I'm already looking to sell on the next break of candle low. This kind of risky trade, just because I kind of want price to at least reject off of this zone or this zone. So we can get in for sales, catch a little quick 1 or 2. But we'll see what happens. Alright, so I'm looking to get in this trade on the next break of candle low. Price nearly broke the low, but I'm gonna wait for it to actually break it fully, so I can get in the trade.
Everything you touch bears the mark of mastery, because when it does, everything you want begins to move toward you.
Yeah, I'm in the trade.
Directly to the spiritual law again. The man who serves more than
I'm in the trade.
becomes magnetic.
Sending that to the group chat.
Not just in business, in relationships, when it feels pointless. He examines how you carry small things. He listens to your thoughts in secret.
I got a tight stop loss.
The extra mile when no one is looking.
And we'll see what happens.
Neutral gear. You have only one gear. Go further. Say this aloud now and declare it with finality.
For now, we just wait.
Excellence is my nature. Extra is my normal.
Hopefully, price gives us that downwards push.
Ignore them.
And yeah, because I got a tight stop loss. I got a feeling price might try to come back up here, but we just have to wait and see. Honestly, hopefully price doesn't try to come back up here and just continue rejecting, pushes down, breaks this low, and we get to call it a day. Smooth day for the day. But if price shoots back up, breaks this high, then we have the trade. Call it a day. Fuck it. Because price, like I said, is on a big demand zone over here on the 1 hour. So it can still shoot up, but I'm willing to take the risk and go for sales. So now I can't really do nothing. I just gotta wait to see what price do and just let it do what it do. To be honest.
Do not settle for checklists over craftsmen.
Let's get a Nasdaq. Break that low. Break that candle low. If it breaks this candle, this line, and it closes bearish, then that's a good indication. Yeah. Right now it's breaking the line. Broke the line. That's a good indication. Price almost halfway to 1 to 1. All right. So we got 9:30 coming up the next um in the next 18 minutes. So we'll see what happens. Price right now is kind of rejecting, looking like it wants to go up. It's breaking candle highs. I'm not liking that. I'm not liking that at all, bro. All right, so this next candle is very crucial. This next candle, momentum is gonna start picking up, and price is either gonna hit stop loss or push into profit. There's only two outcomes right now for this next candle coming up in the next minute and 40 seconds. About how price is looking. We might have to close out. Yeah, how price is looking. We just might have to close up. Fuck it. We got stopped out. Alright, that's cool. Let's send that to the group chat. So yeah, that's basically it. That's today's trade setup. Ended up being a loss. Let's see how much I lost. Took a loss of $548 for the day. Basically, lost what I made yesterday, in a sense. Um, but yeah, so far for the week, we're basically at break even. We're still up for the month since last week. I'm thinking about taking another trade, but at the same time, I don't, because yeah, price could still play out, to be honest, but it's just risky. So yeah, that's today's setup. As you can see, Nasdaq ended up coming back up, hitting our other 15-minute zone, rejecting off of it. It looks like it might continue going back down. We ended up taking this first supply right here. Like I said before, we ended up taking this supply. Basically, price ended up consolidating. Price ended up consolidating a little bit, went a little bit into profit, consolidated around the entry, then pulled up and hit our stop loss. And then 9:30 candle came in, price continued shooting up. And yeah, that's basically today's setup. I highly think we took the loss because there's a 1 hour demand zone, like I was saying right here. We got the demand zone right here on the hour. But like I said, on the 4 hour, I saw that price was up here, creating a lower high, and I was looking for potential sales to the downside, so price could come fill in these gaps and continue making a lower low. But it's just probably not the right timing right now. Price is not probably gonna do that at the moment, and it might do that within the next couple days. So yeah, that's today's trade live session, and today's trade breakdown. And yeah, till next time, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you.